Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how to do firmware recovery. And actually there's nothing wrong with my firmware at all, but just to force it to show it to you to see how it goes. Next, choose it. So you can just follow the instruction. Power off, it's happened to be off right now. Connect it, hold the user button. So the user button is this small one here. So I have to push on it by turning it on. This LED here, you can see it comes on. Now we're ready. Next, choose the right COM port. You take the device router. Everything is good. Next, it's already there, but I'm gonna force it anyway. Okay, it's finished. So usually I remember to turn it off. So turn it on again so we can firmware, the new firmware took hold. Next. We did go through the update and test again. You see it's updated 21. Everything okay. Everybody at 30. That's the newest one. Go on. So, example, you can see how they work.